Lunch today, I decided it was time to organize all my old maps. We are going to an antique show and flea market this weekend, and I need to know which states I am missing. Plus, the desk drawer was over full, and it was hard to find what I wanted when I needed it. First, I grabbed some old envelope boxes, which I discovered hold the maps perfectly. Then I sorted them by state or region. I made dividers using some recycled scrap paper, and then I loosely organized the boxes by region. And I mean really loosely. I will finalize organizing them by region after shopping this weekend. Plus, I'm really not confident in myself that I had all the maps in the drawer, and I bet I'll find some in another location in the warehouse this week. I wonder why I have all these old maps. I use them when I make the city map cards customers order. You tell me the city and state you want, and I search and find it in my maps dating back to the 1950s. And I scan and make a one-of-a-kind card that you can write a message in since they are blank inside and send it to someone. And my cards fit into a 5x7 frame so you can display year-round. What do you think?